Max Grand Productions.
Alright, you already know. Take a plugin, drop it on your track header. The plugin then gets a mixer track, and it's locked to the content, right? I move this up and down. Mixer track doesn't change. I move the mixer track, and yeah, that changes. You can do the same thing with your audio. Just go to playlist, drop down menu, edit, drop audio on track headers as audio track. By default, it's set to always ask. Take your audio, drop it on your track header, then it will give you a mixer track and it's locked to the content. This has been another quick tutorial with Max Grand Productions. Y'all have a wonderful day. Stay beautiful.
Max Grand Productions.